Hey there, fellow curators! Are you ready to inject some laughter into your viewers' lives? Today, we're diving into the world of computer pranks. Get ready to unleash the fun of leaving your audience in stitches with their hilarious tricks. So, grab your keyboards, and today I brought you 6 ways to prank on your friend's computer that will have everyone laughing out loud and also making your friends really angry. Number 1. Go to your browser and then in this part, type here everywhere and click on this link there, add to Chrome, add extension, and after that if you go to any website, so you will see like this. Number 2. Type in this part Trollface everywhere and click on this link, add to Chrome, add extension, and now if you go to YouTube again, it will show somehow like this and it will make your friends really angry. Exactly, these are the real videos, but it shows like this. Number 3. Go to your browser and then in this part type here hackertyper.net, click on this link here, press F11 for full screen, and now in this part if you press any key from your keyboard, it will start doing like this. If you like this kind of pranks, please smash that subscribe button and do not miss our next videos. Number 4. This prank is really annoying. First on your computer, press Win key plus R. In this pop-up window, type here mmsys.cpl. In this part, click on Sounds. And in this part, scroll down till you find Open Program. Click on it and now from right here, choose Sound for that and click on Apply, then OK. And if you open anything there, it will have this sound. And it's gonna annoy your friends. And if you want to quiet, repeat that one more time. mmsys.cpl on run, and in this part go to sound, open program, and in this part choose none, click and apply, and then OK. Number 5. Open up Notepad and in this part type this simple code there 0%-0%, and now you should save this as a .bat file, short.bat, click and save. And now if I just open this one, it is going to freeze my computer and it needs restart. But if I restart my computer, the video will just quiet, so I'm not going to do that. And be sure that this one is not harmful for your computer. You can try it on your own computer. Let's see what else you can do there. And now in here you can just put it in another folder and you can paste it as a shortcut in the desktop. And now you can change the icon from right here, shortcuts, change icon, choosing whatever you like. I'm choosing this one. Also rename it. I'm gonna rename it with this PC. And whenever my friend just open this one, it is gonna have an error and it will shut down their computer. Number 6. Again, open Notepad and this part, type this code there, x equal message box, open parentheses, and in this part you should type double quotes, whatever you like you can type there, you're hacked I'm gonna write there, and also again double quotes, comma 0 plus 16, comma total, and again close parentheses, and you should save this file as a .vbs and click on save. And if you open this one, it is gonna have a message like you're hacked. And it is a little bit astonishing for your friends. I hope you got something out of this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.